Hey guys, welcome to Goik channel. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft on a local network. First, let's create a world. Enter it, hit escape, then click open to LAN. Here you'll see a port. Enter it, click create world for local play. Next, your friend should go to multiplayer and see your server there. If they can't see it, don't worry. Go to start, type CMD, then ipconfig. Find your IPv4 address, copy it. Go to multiplayer. Your friend should click direct connect. Enter the IP address, add 2 dots and the port number, then hit join. That's all folks, this was Whaler, catch you later.